Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Over the years, I've really struggled with knowing where exactly to store these big, bulky 5-gallon water jugs. But this is no longer a problem. With the LIANTRAL 3-tier water jug holder, I now have a compact, sturdy, and aesthetically pleasing solution to keep my water jugs easily accessible and ready to change out whenever I need them. If you're someone who does not feel super confident with self-assembly, rest assured that from the time my husband took this product out of the box until it was on the floor and ready to be stocked was under 15 minutes. So that's a big plus. I've stored my water jugs in many places, but one problem that always persisted was that if they were stored on their side, the water might drip out if the cap was not completely airtight. Well, with this water jug holder, you'll notice that each jug is on a slight angle, which prevents the bottle from dripping, even if the cap is not perfectly tight. This 3-tier water jug holder has really been a wonderful solution in our household so that we can keep extra purified water on hand without taking up a ton of our floor space. So if you're looking for a solution that's sturdy, compact, and aesthetically pleasing, you'll really like this water jug holder, and that's my point of view.